Actually, I was just trying to solve a development problem that we had. Brand new hardware, brand new software. You're testing the stuff out. It would hang up all the time. So the only solution you have is turn the power off, wait a few seconds, turn the power back on, and wait for it to go through the power on self-test. I said, I'm writing all this code for the keyboard. I can, let's just shortcut it. And I originally intended for it to be what we would now call an Easter egg, just something we were using in development. It wouldn't be available elsewhere. But then the pubs people found out about it, and they're trying to figure out how to tell somebody to start up one of their programs, and they had the answer. Just put the diskette in, hit Ctrl+alt+delete, and by magic your program starts. So it was like a 5-minute job in doing it. I didn't realize I was going to create a cultural icon when I did it. But I have to share the credit. I may have invented it, but I think Bill made it famous. When you used it for NT logon. That's what I meant. Okay.
Setting the tone.
Oh, boy.